How to fix mic not working on your PC if you're using a PC and trying to record anything, but your microphone is not working, you cannot hear anything or you cannot record. How you can solve it? Click on the sound option on just the bottom right corner of it and then click on sound setting of your PC. In Windows 11, you're going to see this type of menu in front of you. There is a sound setting option. Here there is input option and external microphone setting. If you're using an external mic, you can set or you can modify the settings from this menu. After you click on the external microphone setting, you can see it from here. You can try plugging in and plugging out again if you're using, of course, the external microphone. But if you're using the inbuilt microphone of your PC, then how you will be able to fix that issue? So this after this, I'm going to show you the same thing that you can fix it. This was for external microphone. You can select format, you can select input volume, you can increase or decrease it. Now, if you're using inbuilt, click on start button of your PC, go to the setting option, and here in the setting, you have to find out the search option you can use, privacy and security. From here, you have to scroll down and click on the microphone access permission. Click on the microphone from it. And then on the top, you will be able to see Microsoft access or microphone access for all of your application you're using down, like camera and other sniping tool applications. You can see the app permissions here. If you denied the app, like this, I'm denying microphone access for ChatGPT, then I won't be able to use it. So you simply have to enable it manually from this menu. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.